Is your Books app acting up on your iPhone? No need to stress. In today's video, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix the Apple Books not working issue. So, let's get right into it and solve this together. Solution 1. Reinstall Books. For this solution, open Settings again. Then, tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage. Now, locate Books and tap on it. After that, tap on Delete App. Then, confirm by tapping on Delete App once more. Now, close the settings and head over to the App Store. Search for Apple Books. Then, hit the Download button to reinstall it. Now, see if this helped with the issue. Solution 2. Give necessary permission to Books. First, open your Settings app. Then, scroll all the way down to the bottom. After that, tap on Apps. Now, find and tap on Books from the list. Next, toggle on Background App Refresh as cellular data. Finally, check to see if that resolved the issue. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. First, open the Settings app again. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Next, look for Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now, select Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice by tapping Reset All Settings once again. Your settings will now be reset, and hopefully, this will clear up the issue. So there you have it. That's how you can fix the Apple Books app not working on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.